Ta-da! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook this pininyahang manok or chicken pineapple. Now let's start cooking our pininyahang manok. First, over a heated pan, put your oil. Next, put your garlic. Stir them to avoid burning your garlic. Let's wait for it to brown before you put your onions. Now put your onions. Keep stirring, and then when you see your onions are starting to get translucent, you can now put your bell pepper in. Stir them all together. Now let's start putting in our chicken. I have marinated my chicken in pineapple juice for a few hours now. They smell good. Smells pineapple. Like a sweet pineapple. Let's stay there to fry a little bit. Now saute them all together. Oh. Season it with salt and pepper. Now cover this and let it cook for 30 minutes. Keep stirring. Now put your pineapples. Mix them all together. Now, put your pineapple juice. This is where I marinated the chickens. Now cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, mix your pininyahang manok. Now put your potatoes and carrots. Then cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes more. After 15 minutes, stir them all together. Now, put your cream. Stir them lightly. Now cover it and simmer it for 10 minutes. Then we're done. After 10 minutes, our chicken pineapple is ready!